stuff, you know. Yeah, some nice stuff I get them feed. Yeah, some duck down here. Yeah, some duck. These are real ducklings you're looking at right now. These are real ducklings having their breakfast. See, that's the mommy shaking off. Yeah, real ducks. All of these stuff are real, man. These are real turtles. See? Real turtles, bro. These are real turtles. See? Real turtle. Over here, we got some of those ducks. This is a rooster. Yeah, you see a rooster? He crows in the morning. Yeah, that one, that red guy, he's the one who crows in the morning and wake me up, let me know it's daylight. Yeah, see, that's your mate over there. You got chickens over there. So you got some more ducks. Out there you got some rabbits. You can see the rabbits. Yeah, you can see the rabbits. Yes, having fun upstairs. Yeah, you can see the rabbits, huh? Yeah, all of these are rabbits. Yeah, all of these are ducks. All of those are birds. Yeah, eating some food in the morning, having some fun.